Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another video of a hotel stays in London, and this time we are staying at the Artotel Battersea Power Station. It's one of London's most talked about hotel, and we're gonna be spending one night here, so I'm gonna take you through and show you how it look like. Before we start, I wanted to take a moment to admire the area, and the hotel is perfectly set beside the Battersea Power Station, and this area has completely transformed into a hub of food, shopping center. As you can see, there are lots of shops around here. It's right in front of the hotel or within a walking distance. And this is the first thing that I loved about the hotel, especially as a mother who travel with a kid. You never know what you need in case if you have to pop up to the shop quickly. It's right in front of the hotel. Okay, we are in now, and there is two entrances. One is leading to the check-in and the hotel rooms, and the other one is leading to the art gallery and the restaurant. So I'm gonna quickly show you the art gallery before checking in. This is the art gallery, and here you will find Jamie Hayon's bold and original artworks. It's inspired by the power station's history and heritage, as well as its future at the center of a new cultural district and a neighborhood for London. And this way leads to the restaurant, which we will be seeing later, and I'm gonna take you back to the lobby and check-in areas. We are in the lobby now. There is a lot of creativity, artworks everywhere, and the design is modern and bold, and it's inspired by the art in every corner, like from the furnitures to the installations. It's like stepping into a living gallery. And I also love the fact that it's got plenty of space for you to sit down and wait. Let's say if you have to wait for your Uber. So this is something I really liked about the lobby. You know what? I loved our room, and it had these stunning city views with bright pops of colors, and there is a lots and lots of natural light flowing into our room. And look, as soon as you enter the room, you got this giant round mirror right next to you to do your little fit check before you leave your room. So I love that we got big mirror right here. On the other side, you got the heating control and light control, so you can control all the lights for the room, including the bathroom. Here we got the working area, which is my husband's favorite spot. He literally took over this area as soon as we arrived. Okay, let's see what we have in the fridge. Yeah, we have a lot of drinks, soft drink, alcohols, and there is also another room in the fridge if you want to keep your own stuff, which is good because I haven't seen this in other place or other hotels. And let's see what's in here. Well, okay, we got some more space to keep your stuff. They also brought a cot for our daughter so that she have her own separate space, so you can request that. And what I love the most is that even though it is a super stylish room, it still feels cozy and welcoming. It's perfect for families looking for something a little elevated. Their car. Okay, here comes the coffee station. We've got a can of still water and sparkling water, and there's a drawer with tea and coffee and snack. There is an instruction written on the coffee, so it's easy for us to make it. And I'm gonna ask my husband to show me how to use the coffee maker because I have no idea. And up here we have locker, which is a safe locker to keep, your belongings. And also we have more space to keep stuff. This is good. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we got the robe. It's beautiful. Okay, I haven't seen something like this before. They have attached these aromas, so it keeps it smelling good. We got some laundry bag here, and there is a hair dryer. So everything is here in this cabinet collectively. Now it's time for the bathroom, so let's go and check it out. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the lighting. It's got the perfect lighting for your skincare and makeup. I don't know if you like to spend a little more time getting ready and doing your skincare, so this is the perfect place. And I also like the finishing, the marble. It's got the rainfall shower and you have the hot and the cold options. So what I'm going to do now is to go out and show you the gym and the rooftop pool as well. So let's go. Okay, we are at the gym now and look at this. It's a fully equipped gym. It's very spacious and stocked with everything from cardio machine to free weight. You like full morning workout or exercise, this is the place for you. And also they have the restroom and everything like the towels in the gym. You don't have to go anywhere else. So this is good. I also like they have a charging outlet. So I'm gonna take you to the sauna and the steam room. This is the sauna and wellness area. It's right next to the gym. I think it's the perfect way to unwind after a busy day exploring London city or after your exercise in the gym as well. And it's very clean, calm, and it feels like a private little escape. I love it. So now I'm gonna take you to the rooftop and let's see what's up there. This is the rooftop restaurant JOIA. It is a Portuguese restaurant by chef Henrique Sapeso. It's not open right now because I filmed this early morning, but if you come throughout the day, it's open and they've got beautifully presented dishes and such delicious food. And also they got great option for kids too if you are coming with your child. So let's talk about the rooftop pool, right? It is an absolute dream because just look at this. Look at this beautiful view. And you've got this view over London and the Battersea power station is right in front of you while you are chilling in your pool. And I would say this spot is ideal whether you are here for a romantic getaway or you're here with a family for an afternoon swim. And one more thing that I really like about this rooftop pool is the water is heated. So even though the weather's changed and it's getting colder, you can still enjoy your swim because the water or the pool is heated. And that's something I really liked about. And the staff was so kind and they were very accommodating. So with that being said, I'm gonna head back to my room and have a breakfast. And I just want to say, if you are looking for a stay that blends art, culture, and comfort, Artotel Battersea is definitely one to add to your list because it's creative, welcoming, and perfect, like perfectly London, I would say. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along as I continue exploring London's best family-friendly stays and experience. Let me know in the comments where you'd love to see me stay in the next video.